$2,000 in one day with affiliate marketing. So exactly in this video, I'm going to show you step by step the background, behind the scenes, behind the curtain, exactly how I made $2,000 in a day with affiliate marketing. When we are talking about affiliate marketing, as you can see over here on my screen, right? Commissions, we are saying about promoting other people's products for high commissions. So you don't have to own inventory, you don't have to have your own web design team, you don't need to have your own products. Okay, you just go out there and promote high quality products that pays you up to 95% per sale. So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, right, I made $1,981, so actually more than $2,000, $2,200 in a day. Now how I make this, let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, right, the first thing I did is I built a landing page. Now you can use ClickFunnels, WordPress, any kind of funnels you want. Most gurus tend to tell you are only one funnel away, which is a bullshit. It's a scam, I would say, because it's not really true. You're only one high quality offer away and one good campaign away to make, I don't know, 500 euros, $600 per day in income if you tend to be very serious. All right. So what I did over here, as you can see, right, most gurus on ClickBank as an affiliate, they will tell you this, which is a big lie. They will tell you don't need email list. Email list is not good anymore. You cannot make money from email. Go straight to ClickBank or MaxWeb, choose a product, send people to the traffic to the website, and you're gonna make commissions. You're gonna make millions, which is a big lie. Why? Yes, it can work really well, but imagine this. Look at yourself. I always do this. Look at myself. When you see an ad on Facebook, on YouTube, do you go and buy immediately? Probably not. Especially if you're driving a car, you're in toilet, you're in a shopping mall, you're in the restaurant, or in the park, or on the beach. You're not going to get a credit card and buy a product immediately. Weight loss supplement, right? No, you're going to do it later when you're at home. So, instead of wasting money and time on things that doesn't work, what I do is I collect leads. You see over here? You see what I do? I collect leads. I collect email leads, so I can follow up with them with done through me emails for 23, 45 days. Every single day, the person is getting emails. Exactly, is not a spam. It's not a spam. It's a big difference. We are not spamming people. We are sending them consistent value. They get value, they get educated, pre-sold, pre-framed, in the right mindset, and then they purchase the weight loss supplement from you, your affiliate link in email from ClickBank, all right, or MaxWeb. Doesn't matter what affiliate network do you use. You see full name, email, and download now. So after the download is made, they get a PDF, they get an ebook, they get a checklist, and inside it's your ClickBank affiliate link, right? And that's how you make money. As you can see over here, this is what I do, right? I set it up for you. Now, you're maybe thinking, okay, David, that's all good and great, but how exactly, how does it look like? Let me show you over here. Let me go over here and show you exactly. See, I'm setting up Google Ads. Why? Because I know people go to Google to look for the solutions to pains and problems. They wanna have the solution, right? To solve their pain. I don't know, back pain, headaches, weight loss, cancer, diabetes, doesn't matter. They look for solutions on Google search. So as an affiliate, as a super affiliate, I tend to go to Google. Okay, find out what keywords are going well. What is the risk rate? How many people are advertising for this keyword? I find it out, how many people are looking for this keyword, I put it there. Okay, so I send traffic. And then I send them to my landing page, for example, on ClickFunnels or WordPress, whatever you're using. Again, it doesn't matter. My opt-in page, they put name and email, and I offer them from $7 to $47 or $100 weight loss supplement. Sometimes ebook, sometimes physical product as a supplement, skin cream, makeup stuff. If they don't buy, that's okay. Why? Because they subscribe to my email list. You see over here, email list. So after they're on my email list, I can send them consistent value build relationship and trust with them over days, weeks, months, and they will keep buying. You see, this is how you make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. So if you're watching this video and if you want to get results with affiliate marketing, high ticket, low ticket, whatever you want to promote, you can connect with me by subscribing. Okay, so right now, please do this for me and you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Can you subscribe? Okay, thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Now you can like this video and you can leave a comment, or you can send me a message on my Facebook, Instagram, email, or WhatsApp. You can also get to my own private email list where I daily and weekly share what works for me and other people in affiliate marketing. All right. So over here, as you can see, on my Instagram, you can find me over here. You can follow me. You can DM me personally. Yes, I will personally pick up the phone call, but only if you're serious. You see, for this business, for this project, you need at least $1,000 US to 5,000, 6,000, or even more dollars to make really good income. All right, I'm talking about $10,000, $50,000 per month. So as you can see over here, this is the this is the possibility, lifestyle of affiliate marketer. As you can see over here, right? All these things are possible if you take affiliate marketing serious and if you have someone who will guide you through one-on-one, step-by-step, and hand-holding you so you can avoid all the lost time and money, right? Does it make sense, right? It makes sense. Because lots of people I know, they procrastinate, they don't want to join, they think, oh, it's scam, they don't want to do any work, they don't want to invest any money, and then they complain they don't have the life and the lifestyle they desire, which is crazy, right? If you look at this kind of stuff over here, right, this is the life you can achieve if you take affiliate marketing really seriously, right? And you can have the same results, even better than me, if you take this serious. So again, thank you for watching this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and connect with me one-on-one after you're done watching.